Hey everybody, so I'm walking around my local Walmart yesterday and they have these peanut suet plugs from C&S. They had them on clearance for 50 cents. It says the regular price was $1.50, but I have a feeling that's probably not the regular price. Anyway, 50 cents. I thought, why not try them, see if the birds like them. I'm going to be putting them in a suet cage. I know they have plug feeders that you can use, but I do not have a plug feeder. I'm going to just throw them out in a suet cage. We'll see how they work. So what I kind of like about these plugs versus a traditional suet cake is you don't have to feed all 4 of them. If I wanted to just put one single plug in, I could have done that. In my case, 4 of them fit almost perfect in my suet feeder. Got 3 going this way, 1 there. I don't think I could have fit another one in there, but anyway, let's see what kind of birds come and eat these things.